Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I am explaining how to enter the Samsung TV service menu step by step. I will share all the working service menu codes for different Samsung TV models. I will also explain how to exit the service menu safely. And finally, I will show you how to turn off hotel or hospital mode properly. Before you start, first make sure the Samsung TV is completely powered off and in standby mode. Second, make sure you are using the original Samsung infrared remote. Smart remotes or Bluetooth remotes usually do not work for service menu access. Always take photos of original settings before changing anything. Step 1. Samsung TV service menu codes. Now I will explain the service menu access codes one by one. First, keep the TV powered off. Then press Info, Menu, Mute and finally press Power. The TV will turn on directly into the service menu. If this code does not work, try the next one. First, keep the TV powered off. Then press Mute, 182 and finally press Power. This code works on many older and mid-range Samsung TVs. If the second code does not work, try another option. First, keep the TV powered off. Then press Menu 119 and press Enter. For some newer Samsung TV models, use this method. First, turn the TV on normally. Then press Mute 119 and press OK. After that, restart the TV to enter the service menu. If one code does not work on your TV, try the others patiently. Step 2. Important features inside service menu. Once you enter the service menu, you will see many advanced options. You can check panel information and panel type from here. You can find white balance and ADC calibration settings. You can control hotel or hospitality mode settings. Step 3. How to exit service menu safely. To exit safely, follow this method. Press the power button on the remote once. Let the TV shut down normally. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the TV on again. This ensures the TV boots without software issues. Step 4. How to disable hotel or hospital mode. Now I will explain how to disable hotel or hospital mode. First, enter the service menu using any working code. Then go to the option menu. From there, open hospitality mode settings. Set hospitality mode to off. Then turn the TV off using the remote. After that, restart the TV normally. Your Samsung TV will now return to normal home mode. If this video helped you solve your Samsung TV problem, give this video a like. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV solutions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.